What if I told you that 90% of your AI integration code in Spring Boot could be reduced just to a few Fluent method calls? No boilerplate, no configuration nightmares, just clean, readable code that actually works in production. Let's be honest, integrated AI model into Java application has been painful. You'd think that after 15 years of Spring Boot, we had a clean way to talk to LLMs. But until now, you are either writing a HTTP client manually or dealing with vendor-specific SDK that never quite fit your architecture. I have seen developers spend days in just getting a simple chat completion working, days that could have been spent on building the actual features. Enters the chat client from Spring AI, and that is the answer to this mess. It is a fluent, intuitive API that makes AI model feel as natural as calling any other Spring service. In this lecture, we are going to deep dive into it. I'll show you how ChatClient.builder pattern works and how it handles the sync versus streaming responses, the prompt call, and how to map an AI response directly to a Java object. By the end, you will have a production-ready REST controller with multiple model configurations. The journey starts with ChatClient.builder. Think of this as your AI model configuration center. Here is the basic pattern. Did you notice something? We are not passing any API key around. We are not building HTTP client. We are just wiring a chat model which Spring AI has already configured from your application properties or YAML. The builder gives you sensible defaults while letting you still to customize. ChatClient uses fluent chain that reads from left to right like English. Let's break this down. Prompt with conversation. You can add your system messages, user messages, and even conversation history. Call. It executes the request. This is synchronous. It waits for the full response. Content. It extracts just the text content from your chat response. But what if you need more than the text? Maybe you want token count or finished response or the raw metadata. That's where chat response comes in. Instead of content, you can call chat response and get a rich object with everything the model returned. Sync versus streaming. Speaking of .call, there is also .stream. Here is the difference. Sync, it lets you complete the response in one go. Perfect for when you need the answer before continuing. Streaming, the tokens arrives as they are generated. Perfect in chat interfaces where you want to show the response building in real time. Notice how little changes, just swap from call for a stream and you would get a reactive flux of tokens. Spring AI handles all the complexity. Now let's talk about entity mapping. And here is the real power move. What if AI returned a structured data that you want to add just as a Java object? So let's create a record of movie with title and director and some air. Now let's use it. See how Spring AI automatically instructs the model to return a structured JSON, parse the response and maps it to your record. Handles the type conversions. This is huge for production apps. No more regex passing into your AI responses. Well, we have got 10 more lectures covering everything from advisor to full RAG applications. If you do have a question, drop them into comment. And remember, the best code is the code you don't have to write. Spring AI has just proved it. Let's build something amazing.